Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Baseus Bowie WM02 earbuds with your Android phone. So first of all, open this charging case and then you have to remove both earbuds, the left one and the right one. And next you will find that this earbuds is blinking quickly, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. And right now we have to open the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, select your Baseus Bowie WM02, accept the pairing. As you can see, we are successfully connected, and in the next step we have to open the Play Store. The application that we are looking for, it's the Baseus. It's actually this one. So let's get it on our phone. Click to open. And right now we have to log into the account. Of course, we have to click here. We can enter for the guest mode, but we have to select this option to go to our account. And when you log into account, you will basically have like more features of these earbuds. So first we have to input our mail. And then below we have to input the password. Okay, and when you log into the application, you have to click to authorize and accept all of these permissions that you have on your screen. And we have to click to add the device. Right now it is looking for our earbuds, so select them, click to add device one more time. Click OK to confirm. And here we can find our earbuds. So yeah, as you can see, that's the options that appears, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.